Gentlemen, welcome to Maryland, a page where we talk about beard growth and men's lifestyle. Growing a full and thick beard is not physically possible for a lot of men nowadays. The reality is that you might be looking for a certain product or tools that can help you thicken your beard, or maybe products that can help you grow the beard faster. Well, I did some diggings to find out products that can help men who are struggling with beard growth at different stages. The first product that I found is the product that helps men who want to eliminate beard patchiness on their face. Beard patchiness is a challenge that a lot of men face. Men in the younger age, those who are trying to grow the beard for the first time. So if you are that person who is struggling with beard growth patchiness on your face, then the Rogaine Minoxidil beard growth foam is the best product for you. You might have a friend who is also struggling from beard growth or beard patchiness. This is the product that can help you grow the beard in the patchy area. Minoxidil has been proven to work for some men to either completely stop hair loss in its tracks, and in some instances to actually spur an additional new hair growth for the area where it is applied. In fact, Rogaine is clinically proven to help regrow hair, and it has been approved by the FDA. If you have a patchiness, Minoxidil is the best solution for you, and that's why I want you to check it out, because if a lot of people are saying good things about this product, you also want to check it out. And the good news is that a lot of people are using this product and are having good results, so you want to try it out. I'll leave the link down below in the description. Well, if you're that man who is having challenges to grow the beard from scratch, then the Biotonic Facial Hair Serum is the best beard growth oil that I found out there that can do the job for you. In 1 month, you start seeing the results. Biotonic Facial Hair Serum is a beard growth oil that can help you actually stimulate beard growth. This product is responsible for stimulating the molecules on your face to both promote and thicken hair growth. I did some digging and found some powerful reviews from other men, and one of them actually said that I've been using it for 2 months now and I've seen good results, and the other one said I was able to grow hair between my beard and sideburns for the first time in my life, which is a good news, right? We all want to grow a beard in all those areas where we want the beard to grow, and the truth is a beard just makes you look amazing. So why shouldn't you grow a beard? You have to grow a beard, my friend. It's one of the best beard growth oils to support full and healthy beard growth. The only downside to this product is that when it's compared to other products, this product is a bit pricey. It's a little bit expensive. The link is down below in the description. Well, and the third product is for those who have been asking me about the pills that you can take in if you want to grow a beard. I have good news for you, because I found one of the best pills out there that a lot of men are loving it and are still using it today, and it's working like miracles. And gentlemen, here's the best pill for beard growth. Beard Grow XL Pills by Delta Genesis. If you want a pill that can help you grow a beard, this is it. Check out also the best conditioner to support beard growth, and this product is the Bossman Beard Growth Conditioner. It's a powerful product which can help you boost and fortify your beard. It won't make your beard look or feel greasy or oily. You don't want your beard to look greasy or oily, but you want it to shine and look smart. The only downside to this product is that it should be used together with some product like a beard growth oil. If you use that conditioner, then you also have to use a beard growth oil, which is a simple thing. Anyone can do that. Almost all beard growers have got a beard oil of some sort. If you don't have any beard growth oil that you use to grow a beard, I have my own recommendation. This is the beard growth oil that I use. If you want to buy it, if you want to check it out, I'll leave the links also down below in the description. All these products that I'm talking about here, people have been using these things and have been getting the results that they expect. These are the products that I recommend to all men who are trying to grow a beard for the first time, and to all the people who've been trying to grow a beard but they are facing and having challenges to grow the beard. You need to have these tools for you to be able to grow the beard, because these products have been working for other people, which means they can also work for you, which means they can also work for me. I've been using some of these tools and I'm also seeing the results, as you can see on my face. Okay, the beard is growing. I have all these beards that are growing on my face because of one of these products that I've mentioned here in this video. What are some of the products that you think I've missed in this video? Can you please mention or name them down below in the comments? We also want to hear, because we are also growing a beard and we want to make sure that we grow a beard using the tools that are really going to help us grow that beard. Gentlemen, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.